Hello, today we're going to be learning how to design in Symmetry using Autodesk Sketchbook Pro. What we're going to do here is we're going to first open up Sketchbook and we're going to bring in an underlay drawing of a face. Let's go ahead and bring in an underlay drawing. Now the underlay drawing here is something that you want to keep very neutral, and one of the things I would probably do is when you first bring in the drawing, go down to your opacity control and bring it down just a little bit, just enough so you can see the face. And then what I would do is go ahead and add a new layer, okay, and then begin using a pencil tool. Again, maybe a 4-point tool, something that's visible. And you want to turn on your symmetry, your vertical symmetry tool here, which is right here on the upper bar. Just go ahead and click on it. And you see how it has a handle here. What you probably want to do is take that handle, make sure it's in the middle, and pull it a little bit away from your drawing area. That way you won't accidentally grab the handle and pull yourself offline. Okay, and then what I do is just start to draw some of the elements. Now what I'm going to draw here is perhaps maybe a face mask detail or a concept, face mask concept. So I'm going to go ahead and start from the middle. And the cool part about this is that you just draw one side. Okay. And if you see what I'm doing here is I'm going slow. I'm making sure I secure the outside shape. Okay. And then what I do is I start to look at the contours. I'll take a look at the nose. Okay. You see how I kind of make that contour line? Because why I'm doing this is that as I move into development of the forms, I need to understand the shapes that it needs to navigate. So when I'm going in and doing my shading and my detail work, I'm going to be able to do it more accurately. Okay. Now again, this is a face shield concept, so I'm going to go ahead and take off from where I left off and go, okay, I need to make sure that I have enough visibility here around the brow line. The person might be wearing a pair of glasses, so I'm going to make sure that the shield is a little bit oversized, so in common eyewear. And then I'm going to think a little bit about how it's going to seal up against the face. So I'm going to consider maybe the round contour, kind of the convex curvature of the forehead, and how that's going to roll back into the shield. All right. And then we need to think a little bit about how does it attach around the head. So I'm going to think about a head strap. And while I'm down here, I'm going to think about the straps for the face mask. And when I'm happy with everything, I'll go back in and maybe harden some of the main lines. Okay. And again, notice how my pen never jumped over to the other side. And I really didn't need to do that when I use the symmetry tool within Sketchbook Pro. All right. And when I'm happy with that drawing, I leave the drawing as is. One of the first things I'll probably do is disengage my symmetry tool, and I'll go ahead and save the drawing. And we'll save as a JPEG so we can go back in and make changes. Okay. And as you can see, this is a really quick way to draw in symmetry, and it provides the basis of future rendering needs, or if you want to put it into Photoshop to do some path work and to do some fills and some dodge and burning. There you have it. All right. So there you go. I'll see you at the next video.